Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, and I hope you're all doing fine. It's another unboxing video, and just now I came from Sharaf DG and look what I bought. This JBL Endurance SPRINT headphones, which is specially for sports and running and for gym purpose. And JBL has built a name for itself in the headphone world as a maker of excellent headphones at a reasonable price. Also, I have reviewed previously JBL Flip 4 speaker, and I hope you have watched that video as well. And most of the speakers and headphones have done very well considering their value for money. Now the company is back with a few new sport headphones like the JBL Endurance SPRINT headphone, which is there in front of me. But can the JBL Endurance SPRINT headphones live up to the JBL name and offer a great value for money? Let's check this out. Let's start unboxing now. Wow, what a beautiful design. You can see it looks so dashing and amazing with this box. What's there inside? Let's open. Oh, it's stick with this, so you have to remove from here. So now I open this one. Here we go. This is headphone, and inside, if you open this, you will see a charging cable and extra earbuds. So you can change it while using. If you don't want this one, you just change it with this extra ones. So let's talk about design first. If we talk about design, the JBL Endurance Sport headphones are built for sports, and it shows in their design. The headphones come in a range of different colors including black, blue, green, red and light blue. I am reviewing the green model, and they look good. They are really black with green accent, which we quite like. The headphones are a little big, but considering their round ear design, here you can see they shouldn't be too unwieldy. The feature of JBL logo on each side, you can see here and here, with a thin cable that wraps around your ear during use. On the other right earbud, there is a micro USB. This port is given over here for charging, but the unit also serves as a touch sensitive surface for controlling the headphones. Tap the unit to play or pause, or use multiple taps for fast charging and rewind. You can also swipe for volume controls, and holding your fingers on the touchpad turns the headphones on and off. In the box, you will get few accessories like this. As I said before, this is a charging cable, but a carry case would have been a nice inclusion too. Still, despite of lack of this case, we like the overall design of the headphones. Let's talk about comfort. The headphones may be built for sport, and we found that they were good at staying in our ears. You can see both sides. Even during relatively high amounts of movements, that's good news for those wanting to buy these headphones for sports use. When it comes to how comfortable the headphones were, we found that despite their large size, it was pretty easy to get used to them and how they feel. At first, it felt like they were a little too big, but again, after experimenting with the ear tips and finding the right size for your use, you should get used to them pretty easily. Let's talk about sound. When it comes to sports headphones, sound and comfort are perhaps of equal footing when it comes to importance. And really, the JBL Endurance SPRINT headphones are relatively comfortable. So how do they sound? Well, they sound pretty good too. The bass is a little more laid back than some other sports headphones out there, but that's not to say that it sounds bad. In fact, we quite liked it. While mega bass fans will want to keep looking, there is enough bass in there for most looking for something to motivate them during their workouts. The mid-range is pretty well tuned, but it's certainly tuned. In other words, if total accuracy is what you're looking for, these probably aren't the best choice for you. Still, the low mids are relatively warm, while the high mids seems to have gotten a very slight cut, which some might like. The high end is present and sibilant, and while it's perhaps not as detailed and clear as some other headphones out there, there is still plenty of it to go around, which isn't always the case on headphones in this price range. Now I will talk about performance. The JBL Endurance SPRINT headphones are wireless, and as such you will want to consider both their connectivity and battery life when you are buying these headphones. When it comes to connectivity, the headphones connect through Bluetooth, and as such you will get a connection range of 10 meters or around 33 feet. We found that they generally connected well without too many bumps or skips except at unreasonable distances or through a lot of obstacles. The battery life of the headphones comes at 8 hours, which is fine but not spectacular. So finally, the conclusion comes here. The JBL Endurance SPRINT headphones are a great way to get decent sport headphones at a relatively low price. They are not the best in any category, but they are pretty good in most. One more thing I forgot to tell you, that this is sweat and waterproof as well. You can use it for 50 meters in swimming pool or in the sea. So the actual cost for this earphone somewhere around 450 dirhams in UAE market, and since the Dubai Shopping Festival is going on, started from 26th of December 2019 till 1st of February 2020, the cost is now reduced and you can buy it for 149 dirham in UAE market, which is equivalent to 4000 Indian rupees. So what are you waiting for? Go and grab it yours now, which is available in Sharaf DG, Emax, Carrefour and Jumbo and lots of other electronic markets. So finally, I'm closing this video with saying I hope you guys enjoyed this video very well. Just don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll be back again with more videos like this. This is Asad signing off. Bye bye, take care and have a great day, and I will enjoy my music with this earphone.